Hello guys and welcome to another special episode of Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles vlog. Today guys is a very insane day because this will be my most insane box break ever, because today guys we will be opening a box of the newly released 2021-2022 Immaculate collection. Wow, I'm so excited guys. This is my most insane box break ever. Do you want to see the contents of this box? Let's find out. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel guys. I will open this box of Panini Immaculate 2021-2022. So this is 6 cards per box. So this is really a make or break deal, because it's either you get a very nice card or you it's a bust. Okay, so we'll be opening this one guys, so good luck to us. Hopefully this one's nice. So as you can see, the box is sealed, so and we will open it now. Good luck to us. So this is a very fast break because there's only 6 cards in this box. Okay, why is it that there's a small paper there? I don't know. Okay, so here it is guys, with one box. There, the box is quite thin, so let's see. Oh, let's get some blockers. Okay, so we do have blockers here. So because I don't want to see the cards. Right away. Oh, it's very thin, so probably there's a redemption here. Hopefully the last card is a redemption, and I think it's a redemption. So you think it's a nice one because the last card is a redemption? Yes, the last card is a redemption. Okay, so and it's upside down. So we'll pick that at the last time. So we'll start with this one. So it's a one base, one jersey, one art patch, then 3 autos. So our first card is, it's not a rookie, Harrison Barnes. 17 of 99. Okay. Oh, so our second card. So I don't want to see the card. So our second card, guys, this one is the jersey. The jersey of Pascal Siakam, or Spicy P, 2 of 99. Okay. So the third card will be the patch. So let's see, what's our patch card? Jokic, yeah. So 8 of 99, but this is just a regular card. So it's not a patch card, just a regular probably because this one's bigger, but it must be a patch, but it's okay. Okay, so we have 2 cards left before the the memorabilia, the redemption. So this one is on RC, so that's nice. Inaugural ink of Charles Bassey. Charles Bassey for the 76ers. And the last card, the last auto before the redemption. Past and present signatures. Derek Fisher for the Lakers. So, actually, basically, these are all trash. So, this will be our deal breaker. The redemption, hopefully, it's a Luka Doncic or a Stephen Curry, but hopefully it's a Luka Doncic because, I'm a collector of Luka. So, let's see. Basketball. Panini Immaculate Collection. Dual autographs. Oh, man. Come on. Give us a very nice dual autograph. Number 15. What? Alex Caruso and Austin Reeves. Lakers. Okay. So, that's it, guys. What do you think? So, is this worth it? Thank you very much for watching. And if you want to see more contents like this, please do like and subscribe to Attorney B's Cards and Collectibles vlog. Okay, guys. Peace.